Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-keto and low-carb channel. Today I'll be making my favorite breakfast food, keto and low-carb Turkish bagels. And straight into the ingredients. Into a blender, we will need 1 cup of almond flour with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add half a cup of lupin flour. In the UK, this can be easily found in Amazon UK and Morrison's. I usually use the one with the keto grain stamp. As usual, I'm using standard cooking measuring cups, which are widely available. Now I'm going to add half a cup of grated cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of tahini paste, which is sesame seed paste. After adding the paste, I'm now going to add 1 whole egg. After adding the egg, now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of xanthan gum and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and now we're going to mix the ingredients together. After mixing, let's check on our bagel dough. This is the texture of the dough that we are aiming for. Please note we are aiming for quite a firm texture of the dough for the traditional Turkish bagels. In the meantime, I have also preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now to shape our bagels, I am going to use some cold or cool water on my hands. As I have mentioned before, the dough should be quite firm, and I prefer to use cold or cool water instead of oil to shape the bagels, and shape to the size and style you prefer. After shaping, I am going to place the bagels onto an oven tray. I ended up with 4 medium-sized bagels. On the oven tray, I am going to brush on some egg yolk, and then you can sprinkle on some white and black sesame seeds. After sprinkling on the seeds, place into the oven for around 20 minutes or until golden. After 20 minutes, our bagels are now ready. I love having these for breakfast with a lovely cup of tea. They are nice and crunchy on the outside, but lovely and soft on the inside. Any questions, please leave them below. Please try it out and let me know what you think. And until next time.